FHA SFR Appraising Handbook, 4000.1, page 92. Field Protocol. Analyze contract for sale. Mark the appropriate box to identify whether the appraiser did or did not analyze the contract for sale for the subject purchase transaction. Explain the results of the analysis, terms and conditions of the contract for sale, or why the analysis was not performed. The analysis may include a reference to the number of pages contained in the contract for sale provided. Identify the source used, prices, and dates of current or prior listings. If purchaser name in contract does not match borrower name provided by the lender, include a comment. Contract prices. Enter the final agreed upon contract price. Use whole dollars only. Date of contract. Enter the date of the contract. This is the date when all parties have agreed to the terms of and signed the contract. The data input format is year, month, day, but PDF will display the format month, day, and year. Defined transaction types. Explain the results of the analysis of the contract for sale or why the analysis was not performed. The allowable values are listed below and are self-explanatory. The abbreviated version is displayed in the sales adjustment grid. Allowable values, abbreviation. REO sale, abbreviation is REO. Short sale, abbreviation is short. Court ordered sale, abbreviation is CRTORD. Estate sale, abbreviation is estate. Relocation sale, abbreviation RELO, relo. Non-arm's length sale, abbreviation is non-arm. Arm's length sale, abbreviation is ARM, LTH. Page 93. Is the property seller the owner of public record? Mark the appropriate box indicating whether the seller is the owner of public record. The appraiser is instructed to contract the mortgagee/client if the seller is someone other than the owner of record, as the property may not be eligible for FHA financing if it involves property flipping, resale in less than 90 days. The mortgagee will make a determination for any exceptions to FHA's property flipping rule and advise the appraiser. Report where the information was obtained. Sales, concessions, down payment assistance. Mark the appropriate box indicating whether or not there is any financial assistance, such as loan charges, sales concessions, gift or down payment assistance, etc., paid by any party on behalf of the borrower. If necessary, use the additional comments section of the appraisal reporting form or an addendum and enter the heading, Sales Concessions, completing the description. If applicable, the appraiser is to report the total dollar amount and describe the items to be paid. If the sale involves personal property, for instance, like an above-ground pool, a lawnmower, furniture, etc., it must be identified and excluded from the valuation. 3. Neighborhood section. This section reflects the area surrounding the subject property. The appraiser must observe neighborhood characteristics and surrounding properties to make determination that will be incorporated into the valuation of the subject property. In all instances, the appraiser must mark the appropriate box for each line in the neighborhood characteristics and housing trends sections. Failure to note conditions that may adversely affect the value of the property is poor appraisal practice and violates the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, USPAP. The following table provides instruction for completing the neighborhood section of the form. Note: race and racial composition of the neighborhood are not appraisal factors.